Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to lock your Cash App card. First, open Cash App and tap the debit card button at the bottom. This takes you to your card settings where you can change your PIN, block businesses, design a new card, and more. To lock your card, simply tap Lock Card. Your physical and digital Cash App cards, including those linked to Apple Pay, will now be temporarily disabled. When you want to use your card again, just tap Unlock Card. If you have Face ID enabled, it will unlock instantly, and you can resume using your physical card or digital card for payments. And that's it. That's how to lock your Cash App card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.